Alright, so today I'm showing how to unlock a bike lock. Just like this. If you forgot the combo, or if you're just trying to unlock somebody's lock, this is the best way to do it. So, I'm using a giant bike lock, 4 combo. This should generally work for all locks. So, just mess it up here. So the first lock, you gotta listen for it, and it'll make a clicking noise. Like that. Not like normal clicks, but it'll be a really small metallic click. Really, really quiet. So you've got the first digit down. Now next digit, you gotta pull this apart, like you've almost got the combo, and you switch to every single little number. Let's say we start with 0, and we wiggle it side to side, and if it moves a little bit, that's the correct digit. So, I mean, it's got to move a lot, okay, my digit is 5148, or not 5184, but you wiggle it so you pull it tension, like you've got it apart, and then you just wiggle that. And you do that for all the numbers until finally you got it. Thanks for watching.